Is JSON dead? Toon is the new JSON. 1. Why JSON fails the AI test. JSON's biggest flaw when used with large language models, LLMs, is token waste. Costly clutter, characters like braces, quotes, and commas, comma symbol, are necessary for JSON syntax but are all counted as chargeable tokens by the LLM. You end up paying to send unnecessary punctuation. Poor readability. Large JSON structures are difficult for humans to quickly scan and debug in system logs, making development and monitoring harder. 2. Why Toon is the new standard. Toon is a data format engineered specifically to maximize token savings and clarify data for AI systems. Toon Advantage: how it works. Impact token efficiency. Toon strips away the redundant JSON punctuation. It uses clear, tabular, CSV-like, and indented YAML-like structures. This leads to a 30% to 60% reduction in tokens, meaning your LLM API calls are faster and cheaper. Human-friendly. The structure is highly readable, making it much easier for developers to track and verify the data sent to the AI. Debugging and observability become simpler. 3. The one key rule. Toon is only effective with flat data structures. Best practice: always flatten your JSON, remove nested objects/arrays before converting it to Toon. Warning: if you try to use Toon on nested JSON, you may actually use more tokens than if you had just stuck with the original JSON format. Why Toon? AI is becoming cheaper and more accessible, but larger context windows allow for larger data inputs as well. LLM tokens still cost money, and standard JSON is verbose and token expensive. Users. ID. 1. Name. Alice. Role. Admin. ID. 2. Name. Bob. Role. User. Toon conveys the same information with fewer tokens. Users 2 ID name role. 1 Alice admin. 2 Bob user. Why create a new format? For small payloads, JSON/CSV/YAML work fine. Toon's value emerges at scale. When you're making hundreds of LLM calls with uniform tabular data, eliminating repeated keys compounds savings significantly. If token costs matter to your use case, Toon reduces them. If not, stick with what works. Key features. Money with Wings token efficient. Typically 30 to 60% fewer tokens on large uniform arrays versus formatted JSON. 1 Diving mask LLM-friendly guardrails. Explicit lengths and fields enable validation. Bento box minimal syntax. Removes redundant punctuation, braces, brackets, most quotes. Triangular ruler indentation-based structure, like YAML. Uses white paste instead of braces. Basket tabular arrays. Declare keys once, stream data as rows.